Hello guys! In this video I will show you how to infuse your food with different flavors using vacuum pressure. To do this, you can use a regular edge vacuum sealer, vacuum chamber if you have one, or even a siphon to infuse flavors into food or liquids. If you follow me on Instagram, I showed there how I used my regular sealer to infuse milk with cheese. I even used a siphon to brine an octopus, so if you want to see some weird stuff, definitely check my Instagram. Well, back to the part. In this video, I used the vacuum chamber to compress and infuse a watermelon with green tea. So yeah, here's watermelon. Remember the color of it now because it will change as the pressure is applied. Now I'm going to vacuum seal using the maximum power, and as you can see, the water immediately starts to boil because the boiling point of the water under pressure is lower. So don't vacuum hot liquids or overfill the bag because it will be messy. The science behind this is that when you vacuum seal, the pressure collapses the cells of the food, and this allows the flavors to infuse the product inside out. So you can see the cells have broken up and the texture has changed. You have to wait 10 minutes to ensure that the flavors are infused. So for comparison, this is the watermelon before vacuuming, and this is after reaching the pressure and vacuumed. Quite a big difference. Let's remove the liquid first. The watermelon infused green tea. Let's see. It's okay. Probably like Starbucks watermelon tea, but real. Whoa! The color is super vibrant. Let me just show you from the top. Like a wild salmon color. This is farmed salmon. This is wild salmon, and you can see the difference. But is it really taste better? Let's try and see. The texture is quite different. Squishy. Whoa. The color is amazing. I will try this one. The texture is very different. It's not very crunchy, but it now reminds me of a melon. This is quite an experience. You should try it. It doesn't taste bitter from the green tea. It's quite delicious. I think it tastes more like melon now. Well, with this technique, the possibilities are endless. You can mix any flavors, modify textures, be creative. So let me know what flavors do you guys want to mix. Next time, maybe I'd like to try strawberry with basil cream or even something crazier. So subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!